All right, what we're going to do today is we're going to install this device from Mid-City Engineering. What it does is it hacks the cameras on your Mercedes Sprinter van. So instead of your cameras turning off when you're going over 10 miles an hour, they stay on, so you have full camera range all the way around. I'm not being paid. This is not sponsored. I'm just showing you because I think it's a great idea. I can't see with the rear view mirror because I have my shades down on the back windows. And even if I didn't have them, you still can't see back there. This is an ODB2 connector. You plug it into the ODB2 port that's under the left side of your dash. You plug it in, you start your engine, you give it a few minutes to program, and then you turn your engine off. It's that simple. As you can see on the display, I have it set for where you see the sides and the back. You can also use all the other settings, but this is the one I like. As you can see, as I approach 10 miles an hour and then hit the 10-mile mark, the map turns on. All you have to do is re-engage the cameras and you're fine. The reason you don't hear my engine is because my microphone thing stopped working and I had to voice over this. As you can see, I'm coming up on a red vehicle and you can see it on the left side of the camera and the right. I have a little smear on my camera back there because of a big rainstorm, but you can see what I'm talking about. What you have to do is plug it in, turn the engine on, let it update, turn the engine off, unplug it, and just drive away. Just go to Mid-City Engineering's website, and they have other products too, but this is the one that I like. All right. Thanks for now. We'll see you next time.